In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to streamline your project management process, setting up a dedicated workspace is a crucial first step. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to sign into Asana. If you aren't already a member, don't worry. Simply head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on that to access your dashboard. And if you haven't set up an account yet, you'll find options such as get started or try for free. Follow those prompts and you'll be guided through the account creation process in no time. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the workspace section. This can be tricky if you don't know where to look, but I promise it's simple once you find it. Take a glance at the top navigation bar, and over on the top right corner, you'll notice either a workspace name or perhaps just an icon. To create your new workspace, go ahead and click on the drop down next to your profile icon. This will reveal several options, and you'll want to look for the one that says plus new workspace. Clicking here is your gateway to creating an organized hub for your projects and teams. After clicking on the plus new workspace button, you'll be prompted to fill in some essential details about your new workspace. This includes giving your workspace a name and linking an email address to it. Consider thinking of a name that's descriptive and easily recognizable to anyone who'll be using this workspace. You're almost done. There's just one more optional step, and that's inviting team members. Collaboration is at the heart of Asana, and with this feature you can ensure everyone stays connected and productive. If you decide to add co-workers, simply enter their email addresses to send them an invite, or you can share an invite link if that's more convenient. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a new workspace in Asana. By setting up a dedicated space for your team to collaborate, you've taken a big step toward enhancing your productivity and project management capabilities. Remember, Asana is a powerful tool, and a well-organized workspace will help everyone stay on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with your new Asana workspace.